Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bloom in Unity. Bloom is a captivating post-processing effect that simulates the way real-world cameras react to intense light sources, making bright areas appear to glow. It significantly enhances the visual realism and atmosphere of your scenes, transforming ordinary lighting into something truly spectacular. You can adjust bloom to create effects ranging from a subtle, ethereal glow to a dramatic, overwhelming radiance, adding depth and immersion to your game world. Let's dive into setting it up. To begin, you will need to install the post-processing package through Unity's Package Manager. Once installed, create an empty game object in your scene and add a post-process volume component to it. Next, ensure your main camera has a post-process layer component attached. Finally, create a new post-process profile asset, assign it to your volume, and enable bloom within that profile. These steps lay the groundwork for bringing this stunning effect to life in your project. Once bloom is active, you can fine-tune its appearance using several key parameters. The intensity setting controls the overall brightness of the glow, typically ranging from 0 to 1. Adjust the threshold to define which pixels are bright enough to trigger the effect. Soft knee creates a smoother transition for the bloom, often set between 0 and 1. Lastly, diffusion determines how widely the glow spreads across your scene, offering a range from 0 to 10. For the best results, use bloom judiciously. A subtle application often looks more realistic than an overpowering one. Consider combining bloom with other post-processing effects, such as color grading or vignette, to create a cohesive visual style. Always remember to optimize performance by adjusting the quality settings for bloom, especially for lower-end hardware. Finally, test your bloom settings across different platforms to ensure a consistent and beautiful visual experience for all players.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.